Hi Hadi, today we are going to draw the sunflower. For this purpose, let's draw few circles. So we can draw a smaller circle here. These are all for outline purpose. Then another one circle here. Then we can draw a big circle like this. Okay, it's getting visible. All right. Let's draw few straight lines like this. So we can draw petals from this point. These are like the middle of each petal. Let's draw petal like this. The middle circle, we are doing the details. The intermediate circle here, now we are doing the details too. Let's erase the outlines of that circle. All right. Now we are going to draw the stick of the sunflower. Stick looks like this. Let's put two leaves on two sides. Basic outlines for the leaves are like this. All right. The color yellow is the color we're going to put here. For each petal, let's put yellow. We can put the orange in the middle. And a darker color in the center.